1 by b minus a for the interval a less than x less than b is equal to 0 otherwise. A is the lower limit and b will be the corresponding upper limit. Okay, what is the mean? Uniformly distributed. X is uniformly distributed with mean 1 and variance 4 by 3. Mean 1 and variance 4 by 3. Find probability of x less than 0. Find probability of x less than 0. So whether the distribution is mentioned or uniformly distributed. So uniform is discrete or continuous? Continuous. How you define uniform? F of x is equal to 1 by b minus a for a less than x less than b. Okay, are you given the interval here in the statement? No, you are not given f of x and you are also not given the interval where it is defined. Then how can we find it? Mean and variance. You are given what is the mean and what is the variance. Using that one, you must try to find what is a and what is b. Okay, so let's start the solution. For uniform distribution, mean is equal to b plus a by 2 and variance is equal to b minus a the whole square by 1. Variance is equal to b minus a the whole square by 1. So in the statement you are given what is the mean and what is the variance. Substitute, simplify and find what is a and b. So right, given mean is equal to what is the mean value? 1. So that is the given b plus a by 2 equal to 1. So you get b plus a equal to 2. This is one equation. Similarly, substitute in variance. So variance is given to be 4 by 3. there is a flight. There is a flight. Every half hour from San Francisco Airport. From San Francisco. SANFRANCISCO. San Francisco. ISCO. Airport to Los Angeles Airport. Los Angeles Airport. Suppose that none of these places is completely sold out. None of these planes is completely sold out, and that they have always a room for passenger. Always a room for passenger. Room for passenger. Full stop. A person who wants to fly to LA, capital L, capital A. LA, what is LA? Los Angeles. Arrives at the airport. At a random time. Between 8:45 a.m. and 9:45 a.m. Between 8:45 a.m. and 9:45 a.m. Full stop. Find the probability that the passenger waits. First one, at most 10 minutes. Second one, at least 15 minutes. At least 15 minutes. So this is one of the application problem of your uniform distribution. So this is given by as airport. It can mean for any travels. Okay, it is going to happen continuously on one particular time period. Okay. So here solving the integration arithmetic is not a very difficult one because it is going to be a constant. What is the major thing is that understand and identify what you are supposed to calculate. Okay, well, read the statement carefully. What is given? What is happening here? Starts from 5 a.m. Every half an hour there is a flight. So every half an hour means what are the timing? First flight at 5. Next one 5:30. Next 6. And then 6:30. And it goes on. Every half an hour there is a flight. What is the condition given? What is the next line meaning? Second line. None of the plane is sold out. Always there will be a vacancy. Okay, and always they are going to give you a room for the passenger. What is the meaning? Even if the passenger is going to enter at the last minute also, they will give them the seat in the corresponding flight. Okay, that is the meaning of that statement. That statement is very important for you. Okay, even if they are going to enter at the time of the flight also, they will be given a seat to accommodate the corresponding flight. Okay, based on this one, what you are supposed to discuss? A person arrives at what time? 8:45 to that person is going to arrive only in between this time. So you have to find the probability that that person has to wait at most 10 minutes and at least 10 minutes to catch the flight. Sorry, at least 15 minutes to catch the flight. Okay, before going to that one, we have to define f of x. But for that you should know whether this is discrete or it is going to be a continuous one. Why continuous? 9:45 to 8:45 to 9:45. And the one continuous time period la unga eppa venalum nodiyum. Okay, so it will become as a continuous case. So since it is continuous, you will go for uniform, exponential or normal. You don't know what is f of x now. You should define f of x. For that you should know it belongs to which distribution. How will you identify? Yes? What is happening here, ma? Every half an hour there is going to be a flight. Whether that is going to happen continuously or not? Every half an hour flight இருக்குல்ல இது நடந்துட்டே தான் இருக்க போகுது ஏதாவது சேஞ்ச் இருக்க போகுதா இல்ல அப்பனா அது என்ன டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் uniform because uniform is something is going to happen continuously for a particular period. So we are going to solve this by uniform distribution. How you define f of x? How you define f of x? 1 by b minus a. For that you should know the interval. What will be the interval here? Others? In the duration discuss பண்ண போறேன் 8:45 to 9:45. Okay. Can you write the interval as 8:45 to 9:45? You have to give it as a value. So how can you give? 8:45 to 9:45. How many hours? 1 hour. 1 hour means how many minutes? 60 minutes. So how you are going to define? 0 to 60. Because you are going to discuss what is going to happen in that time interval. Okay. Can you all understand, ma? So start the solution. Let x be the random variable. Let x be the random variable. Denoting the time. Denoting the time. The passenger enters the airport. The passenger enters the airport. The passenger enters the airport. So right. Therefore, f of x is equal to 1 by 60 for the interval 0 less than x less than 60 equal to 0 otherwise. Equal to 0 otherwise. Because we are going to discuss only for that 1 hour duration, not for any other time. Now understand clearly what is going to happen in this 1 hour now. In terms of minutes, it is 0 to 60. Okay. In terms of timing, it is 8:45 to 9:45. In this time interval, how many flights will you do? At what time? 9 and 9. So at 9 a.m. there will be a flight, and at 9:30 there will be a flight. Can you identify the corresponding timing in minutes? 8:45 to 9. So in terms of 0 to 60, in 15 minutes there will be a flight. Okay, for 9:30. 45. Can you understand how to interpret? Now, think and tell me what you're supposed to find. What is the first one? The person has to wait at most 10 minutes. At most means maximum or minimum? Maximum. On the airport, you know, wait பண்ணனும் maximum 10 minutes தான் wait பண்ணனும். அது மேல 1 second கூட wait பண்ண முடியாது. அப்படினா how we discuss? Probability of at most 10 minutes. So in this types of cases, at most or at least, first we have to discuss whether there is only one possibilities or many possibilities. Okay, wow. So whether the person has to wait, has how many possibilities? Whether there is only one possibility or more than one possibility. Tell me what is the other possibility? 35 to 45. Why? Because the next train is at 45 minutes. So at what time they should come? 30. Can you understand what I think about it more? Yes? They will be having a time as well as also. Any doubt? Yes? In the flight, there is a laser without getting into the window. Clear? At most now, at marriage. Close 10 minutes वरती 9 minutes எல்லா பர்சனல் டேஸ் என்ன டிஸ்கஸ் இதுக்கு எப்ப வந்தாலும் அவங்க 10 minutes மேல வெயிட் பண்ண மாட்டாங்கன்றது தான் மேக்ஸிமம் அதிகப்படியா 10 minutes மேல வந்து அவங்க 1 minute கூட வந்து ஏறி போகலாம் ஆனா 11 minutes வெயிட் பண்ணக்கூடாது 12 வெயிட் பண்ணக்கூடாது அது மேல வெயிட் பண்ணக்கூடாது 10 நிமிஷத்துல அவங்க ஒரு டியூரேஷன் தான் வெயிட் பண்ணணும். So we start the first one. So right, probability of at most 10 minutes is equal to probability of 5 less than x less than 15 plus probability of 35 less than x less than 45. Integration is very easy, ma, only a constant. So substitute your integration. What is the limit value? First case 5 by 14. F of x is 1 by 60 into dx plus integral 35 to 45 1 by 60 into dx. 1 by 60 is common. What is integral of dx? X. Get in the limit upper minus lower. What is 15 minus 5? 10. What is 45 minus 35? 10. So take this time will give you 20. What will answer? 1 by 2. Probability value is 1 by 2. Understood? Read out. So in this problem, only the thinking mark how to solve it. All other things are easy. So we go for the next one. What is the second one given? At least 15 minutes. What is the meaning? Minimum 15 minutes of wait. குறைஞ்சபட்சம் 15 minutes ஆ வெயிட் பண்ணி தான் ஃப்ளைட் எடுக்கணும். அது முன்னாடி அவங்க இருக்கக்கூடாது. ஓகேவா? அதுதான் ஃப்ளைட் ஏறக்கூடாது. கட்டாயம் எவ்வளோ நேரம் வெயிட் பண்ணணும்? 14 minutes வெயிட் பண்ணியே ஆகும். அப்படின்னா அவங்க எந்த டைமிங் இருக்குங்களோ 0 to 50 இந்த டைம் duration ல வரணும். our first time 9 o'clock பண்ணோம். According to your choice, that person should come take 0 to 50. If they come in this interval, how much time they will be waiting? Less than 15 or more than 15? They are going to enter between 0 to 15, right? Okay, if that person is entering in this time interval, whether that person will be waiting for less than 15 minutes or more than 15 minutes? More than 15 minutes. More than 15 minutes. What is the at least? குறைந்தபட்சம் 15 நிமிஷமா வெயிட் பண்ணணும். Has to wait at least 15 minutes. Okay, நான் உள்ள நுழைஞ்சதுல என் ஃப்ளைட் ஏறதுக்கு எவ்வளவு நேரம் வெயிட் பண்ணணும்? 4 மணி நேரம் நான் வெயிட் பண்ணி தான் கட்டாயம். மினிமம் நான் 4 மணி நேரம் வெயிட் பண்ணி தான் என்ன பண்ணணும்? என்னோட ஃப்ளைட் நான் போகணும். அப்படின்னா 0 to 15 குள்ள வந்தா எவ்வளவு நேரம் ஆகும்? கரெக்டா 15 ஆர் லெஸ் தென் 15 interval is good now. அப்படின்னா வேற எந்த interval வரலாம்? 29 including 0. 29 ல வரும். நான் இந்த interval ல வந்தா நான் ஃப்ளைட் எடுத்துக்கலாம். அப்படின்னா என்ன more than 15 ல வெயிட் பண்ணணும். And that is always good for passenger. Okay, that is 0 to 15 கிட்ட எந்த டைம்ல வந்தாலும் நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன்? இந்த 9 o'clock ஃப்ளைட்டை நான் பிடிச்சிருவேன். Any doubt? Okay, ma'am. That's all the uniform distribution. We'll go for the next one. We are going to discuss two more distributions, which is exponential and normal distribution. For this too, 95% they are mentioned in the statement that it is exponential and normal. Then only you can solve the problem. Otherwise, it is not possible to identify. So 95% it has mentioned in the statement that this is exponential distribution and this is normal. Exponential is very easy, ma'am. Just remember the definition. Okay, if you know the formula means just everything will be asked to find the probability value. Just you are going to substitute f of x, integrate and get the answer. That's it. Okay, so take down exponential distribution. Exponential distribution. Exponential distribution. A random variable x. A random variable x is said to follow. A random variable x is said to follow exponential distribution. Said to follow exponential distribution if XPDF is given by f of x is equal to lambda into minus lambda x, comma x greater than or equal to 0 and lambda greater than 0 equal to 0 otherwise. This is how you define your exponential. F of x is equal to lambda equal minus lambda x. So this also satisfies your memoryless property. Okay, you know what is the memoryless property? What is memoryless property? Which distribution array? It will contain all the past one. It depends only on the current situation. That is called as the memoryless property. Exponential distribution also satisfies the memoryless property. Okay, so there is a statement. Memoryless property. Take on the statement. If x is exponentially distributed, if x is exponentially dx exponentially distributed, then same statement, probability of x greater than s plus t given x greater than s is equal to probability of x greater than t. Same statement as in geometry. அங்க m n போடுங்க, இங்க s t போடுங்க. ஏன் அங்க m n னா அது discrete case, integers. So we made use of m n. Here it is a continuous case, so we are using the variables as s and t. Okay, even if you use m n and nothing wrong, but you should have understanding that it will become a continuous variable. That's all. Okay, proof I'm giving it to you. The same procedure as we did in geometry. That we made use of the summation symbol. Here what you are going to use? Integration. But the procedure of solving will be the same. Okay, so continue. Comma s comma t greater than 0. S comma t greater than 0. So right, for exponential distribution, mean equal to 1 by lambda, mean equal to 1 by lambda, and variance is equal to 1 by lambda square. Mean equal to 1 by lambda and variance is equal to 1 by lambda square. So already we discussed uniform, mama. parameter lambda equal to 1 by 2. With parameter lambda equal to 1 by 2. First one, what is the probability that the repair time exceed 2 hours. What is the probability that the repair time exceed 2 hours? Second one, what is the conditional probability? What is the conditional probability that takes at least 10 hours? Given that its duration exceed 9 hours. That's all. Whether the statement is clear or not, whether the distribution is mentioned or not, what is given? The time in hours is exponentially distributed. So surely the distribution will be mentioned in this statement. So which formula you are going to make use of? Exponential. You are going to make use of the exponential to solve it. Are you given the lambda value? Yes, that is also given to me 1 by 2. So everything is given directly. In case, instead of the lambda, in the statement they have given that mean is 2. How do you find lambda?
1 by lambda.
Yes, what is mean? 1 by lambda. 1 by lambda is given as 2. So what will be lambda value? 1 by 2. Like this also they make it. Instead of the parameter lambda, they make it the mean value. From the mean you can identify what is their lambda. Okay, wow. Anyway, all the values will be given directly in this statement. Surely lambda will be given and will be mentioned that it is exponential. Okay, what is the first one you have to find? Okay, which event you are trying to find now? First one define x now. X का इतना mention करो. Time taken to repair. So x will be the random variable denoting the repair time. Okay, so start the solution. Let x be the random variable. Let x be the random variable denoting the repair time. So right, given lambda equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, f of x equal to, how you define exponential? Lambda e power minus lambda x. Substitute lambda 1 by 2 e power minus x by 2. X greater than or equal to 0, lambda greater than 0, equal to 0 minus lambda e power minus lambda x. Now everything is straight away. What is the first one you have to find? What is the probability that the repair time exceed 2 hours? Exceed means greater than 2. So what is supposed to find? Probability of x greater than 2. So write first one. Probability of x greater than 2. So greater than 2 means what will be the limit value? What is the overall limit? 0 to infinity. So greater than 2 means 2 to infinity. So integral 2 to infinity 1 by 2 e power minus x by 2 dx. Original limit is 0 to infinity. We have to find greater than 2. So 2 to infinity. Integrate. So 1 by 2. What is integral of e power ax? For ஓகே, நீங்க ஆல்ரெடி 9 ஹவர்ஸ் ஏதோ ஒரு விஷயம் நடந்து முடிஞ்சிருச்சு, நீங்க அதை பத்தி கவலை கிடையாது. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன நடக்க போகுதுன்றது தான் என்னோட கவலை. ஓகேவா? அது என்ன கொடுக்குறாங்க, மோர் தென் 10 ஹவர்ஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்க. ஸோ அது கிரேட்டர் தென் 1 ஹவர்ல என்ன நடக்க போகுதுன்றது என்னோட கவலை. ஸோ அது ஃபைண்ட் சிம்பிளி ப்ராபர்ட்டி ஆஃப் x greater than 1. Do it greater than 1, what is the value? Greater than 1, 1 to 1 by 2 e power minus x by 2 inverse. So 1 by 2 e power minus x by 2 by minus 1 by 2. 1 to infinity. Same or not? Lower limit will take this. So 1 by 2 cancels. So minus of 0 minus of e power minus 1 by 2. X is equal to 1. 0.60 e power minus 0.5. 1 by 2 is 0.5. Easy or not? Integration is also not difficult. We have discussed uniform. It is only a constant integration. Exponential is also only a one single exponential too. That's all. Okay? Completed? Don't forget your memory property. Shall we start next? Minus into minus will become plus minus. Denominator there is one negative sign. Where the property where it is negative? Answer 20 is the negative of greater than 1 now. Take the overall and have negative number out of 1. Because I know even complications your people will be attending. Yes, completed one. Should we start the next one? Take the next one. The amount of time. The amount of time. The amount of time that your watch will run. Your watch will run without having to be reset. Without having to be reset. R-E-S-E-T. Reset. Yes. A random variable. Yes. A random variable. Having an exponential distribution. Having an exponential distribution with mean 120 days. 120 days. Find the probability that such a watch will, first one, have to reset in less than 24 days. Have to reset in less than 24 days. Second one, not have to reset in at least 180 days. In at least 180 days. That's it. Question is over. Not have to reset in at least 180 days. Read the statement. All data is given or not? What distribution? Where is mentioned? Question. What is other information given? Mean is given to be 120. Or given the lambda. number of days, the watch has to reset. The watch has to be reset. Watch has to be reset. Right? Next one. Given mean equal to 120. Mean is equal to 120. So that implies what is lambda? 1 by 120. Right? Mean equal to 120. So lambda is 1 by 120. Reciprocal of mean. 1 by 120. Tell me what is the first one you have to find? Less than 24 hours. So what are you supposed to find? What are you supposed to find now? X less than 24. Less than 24 means what is the limit value? 0 to 24. So 0 to 24. How you define f of x? Lambda minus lambda value is 1 by 120. So e power minus of x by 120 into this. Lambda e power minus lambda x. Integration is simple. Now integrate 1 by 120 is a constant. What is the integral of e power minus x by 120? X by 120 divided by minus 1 by 120. So constant cancels. 0 to 24. So that is one negative sign. Don't miss it. Upper limit at substitute x is equal to 24. So you get 24 by 120. If you cancel by 12 tables, 2 and 10. Again 2 tables means 1 by 5. So you get e power minus x by 5. 1 by 1. Minus. Lower limit e power 0. 1. So the answer is 1 minus e power minus 1 by 5. Find it using a calculator. 1 by 5 is 0.2. 0.18. Using a calculator. Okay, what is the next case? After you do the rounding off. What is the second one you have to find? X? At least 180 days. At least means minimum or maximum? Yeah. So what will you have to find? X? 182 into x greater than 180. So second one, probability of x greater than 1. At least means minimum, so simple as greater than. So integrate 180 to infinity 1 by 120 e power minus x by 120 into x. Same procedure of integration now. You will get an answer as e power minus 3 by 2, which is 0.223. Same integration. Upper limit is infinity and lower limit is 180. Once you integrate, you will get this answer. E power minus infinity is 0. Integration வரும்போது அந்த equal to raise பண்ணலாம். அப்பவே நம்ம integration எடுக்கும்போது அந்த end point and out point. That greater than 4.6 greater than equal to. Completed my given you the answer. So the last distribution what you are going to start is called as the normal distribution. This is a very very important distribution. Why? Because it's that whenever you are going to discuss any type of statistical problem, when the number of sample sizes vary in lots, we take the help of the normal Everything is in exponential power. That whole thing. So this is how you define a normal distribution. Here the parameters will be two parameters, mu and sigma. This mu is the mean of the normal distribution and sigma will be the standard deviation. What is sigma square? Variance. So variance will be equal to sigma square and mean will be equal to mu. Right. Mean is equal to mu. Okay, how to draw the normal curve? No? This is the shape of the normal curve. We should not draw it as a blunt curve. Okay, previous one I don't know. We should never draw like this. There should not be any like this big one. It should be like this one. Okay, and we are having this curve. So this curve should never touch the axis. How much values we are going to extend? The curve will never touch the axis. It will be going very near to the axis, but it will never touch the axis. Because in all the problems you are going to draw the normal curve. Okay, you should know how to draw it, but that will carry marks. And the normal curve varaidha, the values entirely every solve the discussion. Okay, other things I will tell you later. Take your next part. Next part. X is normally distributed. If X is normally distributed, random variable X is normally distributed random variable with mean mu and standard deviation sigma then standard deviation sigma then z equal to x minus mu by sigma z equal to x minus mu by sigma is called standard normal variable. Z equal to x minus mu by sigma is called a standard normal variable. Standard normal variable or standard normal random variable. Everyone clear? Yes. So what happened is that generally X will be following normal distribution with mean mu and variance sigma square. When we are going to convert this as a standard normal variable, Z will be following normal distribution with values 0 and 1. Okay, well, this is the advantage. Okay, well, so the X which we solve பண்ணும்போது என்ன வரும் parameters mu and sigma square. அதே நம்ம standard normal variable பார்த்தீங்கன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? Only two numerical values 0 and 1. அதெல்லாம் நம்ம அந்த டேபிள்ல ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். Okay, அது எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்கன்னா இந்த ஏரியா வச்சு தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காங்க. Okay, all those are given in the tables. So to find the probability, just you are going to take the values from the table, substitute and you are going to write the answer. No integration, nothing else you are going to do. Okay, but other solve பண்ணுறது ஒரு சில logic issue இருக்கு. How to find the value if probability of Z is less than A? A is a positive value or negative value? Positive value. So you mark that A in the left hand side or right hand side? Right hand side. Left or right? Right hand side. Is that less than A? A is a positive value or negative value? Positive. So you mark that A in the left side or right side? Right side. Because in this point is Z equal to 0. All the negative values left hand side and all the positive values in the right hand side. So somewhere here I This is how you must find. Can you understand now? Yes. Similarly, we will discuss on z greater than 2. Where you mark A, left or right? Left or right? Right. Z equal to E. Greater than A. So which part you will shade? Right hand side. All this area you will find. Okay, A to infinity. But you don't have the table value from A to infinity. You have to rewrite it as in terms of 0. How can you write? 0 to infinity. study all the probability formulas and everything.